Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up GHUB. First, navigate to the official Logitech website to download the GHUB software. It's crucial to verify your computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically requiring a 64-bit operating system. Once downloaded, launch the installer and simply follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to successfully install the application on your system. This initial step is quick and easy. After installation, connect your compatible Logitech G devices, such as a mouse or keyboard, to your computer. GHUB should automatically detect and display them on the main interface within a few seconds. Next, you can begin creating custom profiles. These profiles allow you to tailor settings for specific games or applications, ensuring optimal performance and personalized control for each experience. Now, dive into customization. You can adjust crucial settings like mouse DPI, ranging from 100 to 25,600, and personalize vibrant RGB lighting effects. Assign specific functions to buttons or keys, and even create intricate macros for complex in-game commands. GHUB also allows you to synchronize lighting patterns across all your connected Logitech G peripherals for a unified aesthetic. To further enhance your experience, explore the Community tab for user-created profiles, offering optimized settings for hundreds of popular games. Remember to back up your personalized profiles to the cloud, ensuring your custom configurations are always safe. Finally, regularly update your GHUB software to access the latest features, performance improvements, and device compatibility, keeping your setup cutting edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.